Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Trading Style, and today we are going to talk about weekly stock market update, and we will figure out what's going on with the stock market on weekly time frame, because all over stock market is ready for bearish reversal. We will figure out, because what all over Fed already said, they are going to raise rates. That's what market didn't expect. Market was waiting for Fed to do cuts, to do stop interest rate increase, but in reality they didn't do it. They said they skipped 1 month, but they will continue to raise interest rate. That's what they did in Canada. They just recently they did pause, and also they did skip some. And they did raise interest rate in Canada, Europe, Australia, Singapore. It will be the same in the United States. It means market cannot expect any rate cuts in this year like market already expected. Another thing, weekly, monthly, quarterly, option expiration, future expiration is over. It means investors has to rebalance the portfolio, relocate from one sector to another sector. It will be a lot of relocation, rebalancing, and usually it happens only 4 times a year. And usually at that time, we observed in the history, market change direction. That's what we are expecting in this case. And also earnings season is over. It's time for reversal. It is time for bearish reversal. Let's do weekly review, and we will figure out what's going on. Let's move to trading view. Let's start trading view, crypto heat map, all USA companies based on the market cap and weekly performance. Everything bullish, not everything, but a lot of high-tech sector is green, fully green, right? High-tech companies, heavyweight market cap companies green, the small companies red, but generally it's a positive sign. Let's move to my watch list, and we will figure out what's going on a weekly time frame, right? Let's start from Qs. Before start, if you want to learn more about TradingView setup, just go to the description. There is the link about TradingView setup, and also other links about all my trainings. You can easy and quickly to learn simple trading style. And I'll show you how it works. You see, when bars below MA20, okay, let me start from MA20. From my setup, I'm using moving averages. White line it's SMA 200, yellow line it's EMA 20, red line it's SMA 10, and green line SMA 5. Buy and sell script indicator. And the simple trading style, it's when bars below MA 200, MA 20, sorry. You see bars, MA5 did bearish crossover over 20, and bars below 5, 10, and 20, it is bearish trend. When bars did bullish crossover and MA5, 10, and bars moved above 20, it was bullish trend. That's how simple it is. Just follow the trend. Don't fight with the trend. And also I'm using moving averages. Green line it's a bullish, red line it's a bearish, white line it's a not moving averages, MACD indicator. It's based on the moving averages also. It's a MACD indicator, and white line it's a signal line. Also Fibonacci and RSI indicator. Fibonacci red bars it's a bearish, green bars it's a bullish, yellow line it's a RSI line. Let's start weekly time frame. Look at this bar. Very powerful. It looks like it's exhaustion bar because this was ignited bar. This is exhaustion bar because it's very far from 20. It's disconnected from 20. Definitely it wants to have some correction, connect back to 20. And especially RSI in very overbought state. RSI in very overbought state around 45, 46 plus. Very overbought bullish trend on weekly time frame, and we tested already this level from March 2022, even January 2022, right? January 2022, this bar. Let's confirm, yes. This level, yeah, no, almost there, it's not completed yet. Still has tail. We already tested February, at least, yeah, February is closed completely already. January, February we already, that's how far we are. And it happened just for last 6 months. Just last 6 months, it was nice bullish run. It can continue, but I believe it will have some correction. It will have some correction because all over with the expectations of the market. Okay, a weekly time frame, it is still bullish. Disconnection, last bar disconnected from 20 and RSI in overbought state. It should have some correction to connect back. Let's check daily. Daily, it's a last red bar, same situation, bullish trend, last bar disconnected from 20, very far from 200, RSI in overbought state, bearish divergence on RSI, Qs very bullish on all time frames. Now, let's check VXN. VXN volatility index for Nasdaq. On weekly time frame, it is still bearish. Still bearish, no bullish reversal confirmation yet. S&P 500. S&P 500. You see this bar, it's a plus 2.5% for the previous week, right? Let's see how many percent Qs did it last week. Weekly time frame. This bar, it's a 4%. Qs did it for last week, 4%. 4% move. Okay, SPX, S&P 500. Let's start weekly. S&P 500 weekly. It is weaker. It just tested this level. It's April. It's similar April. Not January, not March. Just April. But it's kind of, yeah, same level for April, for January, for February. It is weaker than Qs, but still powerful, still bullish. Last bar disconnected from 20, MACD bullish, RSI in very overbought state. Definitely wants to have some correction because it's very overbought on weekly time frame. But trend is bullish. Let's check daily what's going on for S&P 500. Daily, it's a red bar. Last bar disconnected from 20. Definitely wants to have correction to connect back to 20. Very overbought on RSI. And MACD also very overbought. Bullish trend on daily and weekly time frame. No changes. Let's move to VIX, volatility index. Volatility index negative. Also, it's no fear on the market at all. Greed on the market 83%. It's a record high. Usually from that level above 75, market also do correction because no fear, only greed on the market. Okay, VIX weekly time frame still bearish, fully bearish. No bullish reversal on weekly time frame. On daily, it's ready for bullish reversal, but not confirmed yet. Let's move to Dow Jones. Dow Jones, let's start weekly. Dow Jones. Green bar, MA5 ready for bullish crossover. Green bar above all moving averages. Kind of price action is at the same price action for last 12 months, right? Very similar like other cryptos. People are talking about bullish, but it's at the same time it's a flat price action. It didn't move anywhere, especially for last 6 months. It's kind of dancing around the MA20. Bullish trend, bullish crossover, not so powerful. Still, yeah, it still has bearish reversal, bearish divergences on multiple indicators, but trend is bullish on weekly time frame. Daily time frame, it is bullish, and last bar was disconnected from 20. Definitely wants to have a correction and connect back to 20. MACD bullish with bearish divergence, RSI bullish with bearish divergence, price action uptrend, all indicators downtrend. It's the bearish divergences, multiple bearish divergences on daily time frame. On weekly, no divergences, I believe. No, on weekly it has divergences also on MACD, on RSI also. It means Dow Jones wants to have correction. Let's move to VXD. VXD volatility index for Dow Jones, still bearish, no bullish reversal signal yet. It means it's a positive for Dow Jones. Let's check daily. Daily, I believe it's a similar. Now daily it's a bullish, right? Daily it's a bullish, it means it's a bearish for Dow Jones. Let's move to IWM. IWM Russell 2000 weekly time frame. It was very oversold, it was very negative. You see last 3 weeks change Russell 2000 trend direction from negative to positive. Because when bars were below 20, it was very negative, very bearish. Now last bar moved above 20, it is positive territory, positive location. MA5, 10 and 20 still below 200, still bearish territory, but trend is positive. Buy signal from the script. MACD did bullish crossover, still in the bearish territory below zero line. Fibonacci and RSI bullish crossover on weekly time frame. Positive bullish looks like this bar is kind of like bearish tail bar, bearish hammer tail bar. Okay, weekly time frame it is bullish, and let's check daily. It's a similar bullish trend, but on daily it's kind of weaker because you see for last actually it did move. It took 3 days just to move to this level. 1, 2, 3, 4 days. 4 days to move to this level, and from that point for 1 week it just dancing at the same price action. No same price action, and it's building bearish reversal or accumulation mode to move up or down. RSI was in overbought state, now it's in the bullish territory. Still positive, no bearish reversal confirmation yet. Let's move to RVX, it's a Russell 2000 volatility index. On daily time frame it is still negative. On weekly time frame it's also negative. It's positive for Russell 2000. Let's move to Apple. Apple weekly time frame. Another green bar, very straight bull run for Apple. RSI very overbought, way overbought, over 44 points. It is very overbought. Definitely it wants to have some correction on weekly time frame. So bullish, and last bar still disconnected from 20. Still disconnected from 20. Daily time frame. Daily time frame, it's a bullish trend also, with bearish divergences on all indicators. MACD bearish divergence, RSI bearish divergence. All indicators, they have bearish divergences, and RSI in a very overbought state. It definitely wants to have correction. Tesla the most powerful stock. Look at it. Apple, Tesla, Nvidia, they all very powerful, very bullish, very powerful. Tesla daily, look at it, bullish trend, left gaps, but very straight up bullish trend. RSI very way overbought. Way overbought is building bearish divergence. Bearish divergence on daily time frame. Let's move to weekly. Weekly time frame, bullish trend, last bar, bullish trend, last bar way disconnected from 20. Way disconnected from 20. MACD, green bullish, Heikanaichi, and RSI in overbought state on weekly time frame. It means Tesla wants to have correction because it's in very overbought state and disconnected from 20. And actually, and it closes gap. You see, it was gap over here. Around 60, 64. That's what Tesla did, right? Let's check. Tesla did 64. Yeah, 63 and 60. Yeah, it's a little bit like a small move and it will close this gap and it will be ready for bearish reversal. Gap is closed and now it has to move down to close gaps below. It still has gap over here, still multiple gaps below. This gap is closed already, right? Almost closed. Few more cents. I would say $1. Okay, weekly time frame, Tesla is bullish in overbought state. Let's move to Alibaba Group, weekly time frame. Alibaba Group very weak, all moving averages below 200. It is very weak, very negative territory. MACD still red, Heikanaichi. It's trying to change to bullish buy signal from the script. Last bar even close above 20. It is now it's more positive because at least bar in the above 20 it's more positive. MACD ready for bullish crossover, Heikanaichi. More positive trend on weekly time frame. But price action still kind of flat. Let's check daily. Daily it was nice bull run. It did MA5 did bullish crossover over 200, and we see last bar, even last recent bars, they closed about 200. It is more positive zone now. It's a more bullish. It left some gap below, but it is in a positive territory. And RSI very overbought. It did last Friday. It opened gap up and it was sold off. It could be bearish reversal because of that powerful reversal bar, bearish reversal bar, and similar like here is a bearish reversal bar, right? RSI in overbought state for BABA on daily time frame, still bullish, and weekly it's ready for bullish, but it can be rejected from 20. Nvidia, MA20 I mean. Nvidia, weekly time frame, nice green bar, bullish bar, still bullish trend, RSI still in overbought territory, still in overbought state. Price action uptrend, RSI downtrend, it's a bearish divergence on weekly time frame. Last bar disconnected from 20, very far from 20, definitely wants to have correction. It left huge gap, 20% gap, $60 gap. I believe this gap will be closed. Let's move to daily to weekly. It is bullish with bearish divergence, very overbought. Daily time frame, similar story, bullish trend, red bar, bearish reversal bar. On Friday, from Friday, bullish trend, still gap down. MACD has bearish divergence, RSI has bearish divergence, multiple bearish divergences. It wants to go still bullish, and RSI in the overbought state wants to have some correction. Overbought state. DXY daily time frame, the DXY daily time frame, it's a USA dollar, right? It is bearish. Even last week it was green bar, but still bearish on RSI in very oversold territory. Very oversold. It definitely wants to have some bounce, some bullish reversal signal. Let's check weekly. Weekly, MACD is still green bullish, Heikin is still green bullish, but last bar already gave us sell signal and it moved below 20. It is bearish reversal. Dollar is weak on weekly time frame. Dollar is getting weak. We'll see. Next week can be bullish reversal bar and it should move about 20. We'll see what will happen. So far it's bearish. Bearish on daily, bearish on weekly. And on weekly it moved below 20. For me it's kind of bearish territory. Not fully confirmed yet on all indicators yet, but it's already weak. Very weak on weekly time frame also. Daily bearish, weekly weak. Let's do summary. Like I already mentioned, all indexes, all equities, they are all so powerful, so bullish. They way overbought on all time frames and in very overbought territory. It means they need to have some correction, especially like I said, everything is over, all is over, monthly, weekly, quarterly expiration is over. Now it will be a relocation of assets to other sectors of the economy, sectors of the market, and also, like I said, Fed just skipped the interest rate for previous month, for June month, but it will come back and it will raise it like it did it for Canada, for Australia, for Europe, central bank for Singapore. The central bank still in the raise mode. They still want to raise interest to get to recession, to cool down the economy, global economy, to cool down the USA economy, to cool down the world, because world is overheated and overinflated, and it needs cool down around the world economy. That's what Fed wants to do it. They told us several times, they told market many times, market just ignore whatever Fed said, and but it's happening, and now is, remember, the season. It's a summer season. Second quarter almost is over. It's time for correction. Usually season first quarter is bullish, second quarter is neutral, and third quarter is negative. That's what we should be ready for bearish reversal signal. It will take some time, but I believe it's already time for the bearish reversal. But market still bullish, and remember, we follow the market. If market will continue to go bullish, we will continue to go bullish. But if market change direction to bearish, we will change direction also. So far on daily time frame, it didn't change direction, still in overbought state, still in a bullish trend. But it can change direction very quickly. 1 week can change that directly very quickly. Remember, market moves up, uptrend by step by step uptrend, but to move downtrend, it will use elevator to go down, elevator to move down. That's how it works. It can be like one bar like this one to move down, but uptrend, it's kind of generally using steps. That's all. Thank you so much. Let's move to disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. This video for educational informational purposes only, and remember, for educational purpose I am using paper trading account. Please read it. Thank you for watching Simple Trading Style video. I do publish daily updates for stocks, ETFs, indexes and cryptos, and also weekly and monthly updates for indexes, for cryptos. Please subscribe for YouTube channel, click like button to support the channel. I really appreciate all your efforts. Thank you so much and good luck. Bye now.